Okay, in this video I'm going to play around with dates in Pandas. So I have a data frame with a date column. I'm going to make sure that it's in the date format by doing pd.to_datetime and then calling the column date. And then I'm going to aggregate to less granular date values. So things like month of year, year month, month of year as in the numerical month, day of the month as in numbers 1 through 31, and day of the week as in Monday equals 0, Sunday equals 6. When I run that code, you can see I end up with a date column, a year month column, day of month, day of week, and month of year. I can plot this using Seaborn and see the trend in my data.